Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix fast startup mode that disappeared or missing from power options in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to navigate here at the bottom search bar and type for CMD. The moment you have typed it, please proceed with the best matched and go with run as administrator to continue. If your user account control asks you to say yes, simply proceed with yes so that you would be able to give permission on running the window. Okay. So here you need to follow a comment text which I'll be including at the description box below, or you can simply post this video so that you can take a picture, you can take a note of this comment text, okay? So it is powercfg space forward slash hibernate on. So type it here, power cfg space forward slash hibernate space on. Again, it is power CFG space forward slash hibernate on. And once you have typed it, press enter. And once you have pressed on it, you would be successfully complete the procedure, which is to fix your startup mode, which is missing in your power options. So let us check if it's there. So close this window. And here at the bottom search bar, please type for control panel. Please proceed with the best matched and go with open to continue. Okay, so if your window or view doesn't look like this, simply proceed with the upper right side of the screen. You can see there an option called View By. Click on it and set it into large icons. Once done, proceed with Power Options. Click on it and you would be redirected to a window like this, where here you need to proceed at the left side of it, where you can see an option called Choose What the Power Buttons Do. Click on it. And now the shutdown settings, and under that you can now see your turn on fast start app, which is missing in your Windows. It is now appearing here in your computer. So it is grayed out, but in order to modify or change the settings of this turn on fast startup mode, you can simply go with change settings that are currently unavailable, and it will not be grayed out anymore. Here you can turn it off and you can turn it on also. Okay, once done, click on save changes and you're good to go. So simply close this window and there you have it. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.